Today we're taking a closer look at this 2014 Newmar Dutch Star 4347, available now at RV Depot Supercenter. This Class A diesel motorhome brings together luxury, craftsmanship, residential comfort, and the kind of road presence that Newmar has built its name on. It gives you the space that makes extended travel feel less like camping and more like living in a well-built luxury residence on wheels. Now let's step inside. Right away, the interior makes a strong first impression. Newmar has always been known for its cabinetry, fit and finish, and residential design. And that is exactly what stands out in this coach. The Dutch Star gives you room to breathe. Up front, you get a commanding view of the road, comfortable seating, and a cockpit layout designed for long drives. Everything is positioned to make the coach feel manageable from behind the wheel. Just behind the cabin is the kitchen galley. The stainless side-by-side fridge has an ice and water dispenser in the door. Across is a functional cooking space with solid countertop surface area, quality cabinetry, great appliances, including a dishwasher, and a layout that lets you prepare real meals on the road. On the other side, the dining area gives you a comfortable place to sit down for meals, plan the next stop, or just enjoy the view out of the large windows. Next, the living space is one of the best parts of this floor plan because it gives you a true lounge area. The seating is designed for comfort and conversation. It gives you a place to sit back with friends and family at the end of the day. As we continue rearward, the mid-coach bath setup is one of the practical features that makes this floor plan so appealing. We'll come back and take a closer look from the bedroom side. The master bedroom gives you the private retreat you'd expect. It is a true owner's suite with a king-size bed layout, beautiful cabinetry, and storage designed for longer trips. Now, peeking back into the bathroom, we get a better view of the vanity, glass-enclosed shower, and linen storage. The bathroom feels usable, not cramped. Storage in the bedroom is another major advantage. For extended trips, dresser and closet space can make or break the experience. There's a stacked washer-dryer in the closet next to the mirrored wardrobe. It's one of those features you'll really appreciate after a few days on the road. The mirrored wardrobe gives you room for clothing, shoes, secured items, extra bedding, travel items, and the things you do not want stored out in the main living area. For someone looking to travel in comfort, this coach checks a lot of boxes and is absolutely worth a closer look. Come see it at RV Depot Supercenter today.
Hey guys, it's Mike again at the RV Depot Supercenter down in beautiful Cleveland, Texas. Are you looking for transparent pricing, flexible financing, or traditional bank lenders? We have all that. Give us a call, come by and see us today.